Understanding and coping with stress and depression. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to delve into a topic that affects many of us, stress and depression. These are serious issues, but with the right strategies, we can learn to manage them effectively. Let's get started. First, let's explore the causes of stress and depression. Stress can be triggered by a variety of factors, including work pressure, relationship difficulties, financial troubles, or significant life changes. Similarly, depression can result from a combination of genetic predisposition, biological factors, environmental influences, and psychological triggers. Now let's discuss the symptoms. Symptoms of stress often manifest as irritability, difficulty sleeping, muscle tension, and problems concentrating. Depression symptoms may include persistent feelings of sadness, hopelessness, loss of interest in activities, changes in appetite or weight, and thoughts of self-harm. So, how can we avoid stress and cope with it effectively? One crucial strategy is prioritizing self-care. This involves engaging in activities that bring you joy, maintaining a healthy lifestyle with regular exercise and nutritious meals, and ensuring you get enough restorative sleep. In addition to self-care, practicing relaxation techniques can be immensely beneficial in managing stress. Techniques such as deep breathing exercises, meditation, or yoga can help calm the mind and reduce stress levels. Furthermore, seeking support is essential when dealing with stress or depression. Whether it's confiding in a trusted friend or family member, or seeking professional help from a therapist or counselor, reaching out for support is a courageous step towards healing. Remember, it's okay not to be okay sometimes. We all face challenges, but by acknowledging our struggles and actively working towards managing stress and depression, we can cultivate resilience and lead happier, more fulfilling lives. That's all for today's video. Thank you for tuning in, and remember to prioritize your mental health.